Hello. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Global UniPay presentation. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Just put some things in the chat. If you can hear me, you can see me. Okay, great. Super. Okay, let's crack on. All right, again, we missed last week. Due to other webinars that has been happening, and also we are going to change the way we do these webinars. We will start to do pre-recorded videos of these webinars because it's kind of the same thing every time, and there are no new attendees. I only see that 13 people in English room. How many people are in other languages, guys? In Hindi room and Russian, how many people? Just the moderator just put in the chat, because we only have 13 in English, which is a shame. Let's go, because it's not, let me see, Russian 17. How about in Hindi room and others? 6 in Vietnam. Whew, that's not good, guys. That's not good. So we're gonna start to pre-record this, okay? So that it is very, with better resources, because there's the translators, or we have a lot of translators here who could be doing something else and translating all of this so we're gonna do maybe once every month, live like this, and the rest will be pre-recorded, right? So do you think, guys, is a good idea or not? Just bear in mind the resource of the company, etc., etc. Just put a plus if you agree, and put a 2 if you think it's not a good idea. Good, thanks, Matteo. Okay, yes, so it's gonna be pre-recorded, but it's gonna be good because there is a good system that the company is introducing, where you will be able to play on autopilot the presentation. So it will be good. So you can send it to a person and they can watch it. Okay. Now let's crack on. Those of you who are new, my name is Martial Niyonzima. I'm currently a member of the Ambassadors Council. Again, the Ambassadors Council is going to be reviewed in October. So I could be part of it, might not be part of it. But at the moment, that's how it stands. And I'm also a vice president within the Average ecosystem. I'm a master profit coach and a business coach, an entrepreneur and speaker and all that. Okay, so let's move to the next slide, because let's go to the nitty-gritty of why Global UniPay was created. What was the reason why? What was the pain that we were encountering as a company in order to bring a different payment systems? Now, the problem was most of the funds were frozen, and without any reason, because somebody didn't like the model of advertising our company is using, and there were large fees. And also, it could have taken up to 3 days, business days. So if a transaction happened in your weekend, it's more than 3 days, 3 business days, okay? In order the company to get their money and to use it for something valuable, i.e. to put in a global portfolio, etc., etc. Okay, and also chargebacks were quite high. Chargebacks happen when, for example, a person buy an EIP, for example. Whoever talked to him about the EIP, maybe they didn't explain properly what it is, and once they bought it and they found out that maybe it's different compared to what their sponsor explained to them, and then they request a refund from the company, and they use, instead of going directly to the company, they go to the payment method they use, i.e. to their bank account, by their banks or any other payment processes, and then those payment processor, whether it's a bank or any other third party, they froze the money, okay? They charge back the company. So the person got the product, but the company is out of pocket. So this was not good for business, okay? And there was no such thing as protection policies for digital assets, like we are moving into crypto on the blockchain, etc. So there was no such things in many payment processes. So now what is important in having your own payment processor that you control is that you can control your own funds, so no one can just freeze our money however they like, and you can store your assets that is still safe, a place where that is safe. Okay, there's still quite a large fees because we have to interact with other parties, such as MasterCard, such as the company that settled the payment, because when you're working with the crypto and fiat, there have to be somebody else on the other side who can settle you crypto into fiat currency. So those people, they also want a cut. So that's why sometimes the fees can be a little bit higher when you deposit, you want to cash out in your crypto into fiat, or deposit some of the money as well. But as the company is going to continue to improve, these will change and the fees will get smaller and smaller. So it's just a matter of patience. Okay. And also, when you have your own payment processor, you can access your money quickly. Chargeback can be reduced because then the people, if they're not happy with the product, they can come back to you directly to the company, and the company can try to settle the misunderstanding, etc., in a nice way. Okay, and your account cannot be suspended. Okay, but with this system that we have a protection policy that covers all the digital assets as well. Okay, so let's move. So this is the reason why. This is why the Global UniPay was created in the first place. It was a pain that the company, some of the partners such as Everidge was encountering. Then they found a solution. The group found a solution of having on payment processor. Okay, let's go to the next slide. All right, now when you, because the Global UniPay is based in Switzerland and is also regulated in Switzerland's jurisdiction, obviously Switzerland jurisdiction was chosen for a purpose. It's very kind of safe economically in financial banking system. Okay, this is the hub of the mother of all banking system, all central banks is in Switzerland, in Basel. Okay, so this is a well-known place for financial stuff. So, but that comes also with some kind of a cost in terms of restriction, unfortunately. But what you need to remember is a way to penetrate the financial system. Then once the company penetrated, understand how things work, then they will be able to stretch their wings into many other different stuff. Okay, so hence why some of the people can't use this platform, but stay assured the company is working behind, and very soon you will see some other facilities where you will be able to get verified on another platform and able to use this platform fully. Okay, so that is coming soon, so you just need to stay tuned. Okay, and because we are regulated, we have to go through these rigorous checks such as KYC, or know your customer, or anti-money laundering stuff. So, and unfortunately, this has to be done. It's not that a decision that a company have to make in order to work with the banks easily or the financial institution. You have to go through these steps. Okay, so if you have been asked to do your KYC, please do it. If you want to use the system to fully, if you are asked to provide any other documentation, this is because the system from the Global Pass, which is the company that we use to do the verification, etc., it picks up that maybe your name looks like somebody else's name, etc. So it's a system picker. So when they ask you extra documentation to verify, to make sure that you are not that person that was flagged, etc. So please facilitate for yourself and also for the KYC team. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Now, what kind of operation can you have with the Global UniPay if you are using it as a client, as a customer. First of all, this is an advanced blockchain-based platform, which means is to the future, okay? Is to the future. This is the current technology that is being thought by global banking or the other financial institutions. This is where we're heading, the blockchain technology, okay? But it also provides like a complete and technical perfect set of services to conduct all the financial operation, such as, for example, fiat currencies. You can do instant incoming and outgoing transfers and currency exchange within the same platform. You can also have cryptocurrency exchange within the same platform, purchasing and also sell, okay? And you can, the most other interesting thing is the over-the-counter asset, okay? Purchase and sale of precious metals, okay? So let's move to the next slide. Right, now this is what also you get in terms of processability, for example. You have 24/7, okay, available. It doesn't close, the website doesn't close on the weekend. You have a free back office. There is no a monthly subscription that you have to pay every single month to get this platform, to use this platform. If you are verified and you are one of the person who has been fully verified, it's free back office. And you can be able to use bank acquiring. You can have, for example, it's a SEPA bank account, which now was announced last time. You can have a bank account in the UK, for example, okay? You can have SEPA transfer, Swift international transfer. You can deposit, you can withdraw your funds, and you have some currencies, USD, euros, and Swiss francs, but more currency are going to be added. This has been in discussion, and you know the updates will be there soon. And also, it is in the testing mode at the moment. You have languages now, multilingual. This is going to be, you know, multilingual sites. So at the moment, we're going to have Russian, we're going to have Italian, we're going to have, I think, English and Spanish, but later on, we're going to have more languages added on, okay? So again, it is a work in progress, guys. Remember, this system has been studied from scratch, okay? We didn't use a complete package that you can just go, okay? So we just, it's a work in progress, okay? Now, in terms of security, you've got an international legal compliance. For example, the global pass that we use, if you have used most of the big payment processors such as Wirex, Crypto.com, or many other, so they use this global pass. So this global pass is a very well rated company, you know, who does this KYC for big corporation, big financial institution. And when you work with them, you, in the eyes of regulators, you look like you're doing the right things. You know, hence why it was selected for this also. Okay. In terms of the comfort, any business or any business that provide a business to business model or business to customer or customers to customer, they can use our platform, okay? You can have a high speed of operation. Now, if you do the transaction, if you do the exchange, etc., it's a little bit fast. It can always be improved, but it's quite faster than normal banking system. So it doesn't take 5 to 7 days or 14 days in order an operation to go through. And we also have an international team of customers and technical support, which is continuing to grow. And very soon, you'll be able to see the mobile app on Android and iOS, okay? All right, so let's move to the next slide. Right, so now this is in relation to the card. So this fee is here. This is a table that, because we want to be transparent for anybody who's going to purchase the card from us, to see what kind of cost they're going to pay when they do any transaction. As you can see, we have 4 types of cards. We have a virtual card, which you can get really for €5, I think from €5. to 10 euros, and you can have it immediately. Okay, you can have it now. There is no monthly fees with that. And the top-up fee is 1.5%, withdrawal fee is 1.5%. And if you use the online POS transaction, for example, fees is 1% if you do any transaction online or on Amazon or etc. But you can see it doesn't give you all the other options because it's not physical, it's a digital one. And you have the standards, and you can see all this one. You have gold and you have platinum. But platinum, very soon, whoever is going to purchase platinum, not only that you have ability to use a big amount on your card, monthly card limits and ATM. It would be limitless monthly card to put monthly card limit transactions. It will be limited, which means you can transact as much as you have on a card. Okay, and you're going to have, when it's going to be delivered, is going to be really, and there is going to be some extra special thing that's going to be added for the platinum cards users. So stay tuned. And this is the card I'm really excited about. And whoever can afford it, to be honest, is not a backbreaker. Whoever can afford it, this is the best one. And if you are a person who also projecting or earning a lot of money at the moment, wherever resources that you have, this will be the best card to use, and it's going to be a metal, really nice looking. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. You can review these fees when you're talking to people, and they ask you how much this card costs, and you can show it to them in a transparent way. Okay, so you can see that there's some one-time fees you have to pay with these cards also. All right, so let's move to the next slide. Now, how is the company going to earn money? How is Global UniPay going to earn money? This is one of the way. Okay, this is one of the way. But also because Global UniPay is part of the global portfolio, some of this money will be going back to the global portfolio to be paid out as dividends to the global portfolio co-owners. Okay, so but in this case, this is one of the way that Global UniPay will earn an income, okay, through this transaction. So we have a license which is OCT, Original Credit Transaction, and this license will allow the company to be able, or to use it to be able to transfer money to any card. So imagine you have your money in at the moment you can only send money through the bank transfer and maybe crypto, and you can only send it, if you do bank transfer, you can only send money to the accounts that belongs to you with the same name. If it's a different bank, if it's a different names, or etc., the money will be refused, will be declined, and you'll be returned in your wallet. Okay, but this license is going to allow a user to be able to send any amount they have in their back office to any card. Okay, any card they have, MasterCard or Visa card with their bank cards, etc. So this is going to be very, very interesting. Okay, and this is just an illustration that shows you with this license how we're going to earn money through the platform volume. Okay, so let's just imagine we have 1 million users that deposit $1,000 every single month for their monthly expenses, etc., because you will use these the card for you to spend your money, for you to buy things with, etc. And this, if we look at this number, this is around $1 billion volume per month. Okay, this is not an income for us, it's a volume that's going through the transaction, that's going through the system. But out of that, imagine if we get 1% out of that volume that charge as fees. So this is equal to about $10 million every single month that a company can generate. Now, out of these $10 million, after all the expenses, obviously, there will be some percentage which will be put in the global portfolio, because Global UniPay is part of the global portfolio. So which means if they make profit, they put in the pot in the global portfolio as dividends. Okay, and some of this money will be paid out to all the WCRU holder, which is a representation of the co-ownership in the global portfolio, for example. Yeah, so this is a big amount. This is quite a big amount. If you look the loyalty bonuses that have been paid at the moment, it can be like 10 times more what we, and just from this business alone. Now we're going to have other businesses that will be producing more volume, etc., etc. Okay, so this is one way we're going to earn an income. Another way would be to businesses that will provide, they want to use our payment processor as a white label. So we will give them a white label right, and then they can use the platform, they can customize to their company name, brand, etc., etc. And any volume that will be from there, we will also earn a percentage as well. So the earning income for the Global UniPay company is going to be, enormous. And some of that profit will be paid back to the global portfolio. So if you are the global portfolio co-owner, you need to understand this is important. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Now, this is just money that the company is going to earn and pay out probably for like passive income for the people. But it is also going to provide opportunity for the people who want it. Hence why I'm doing this presentation every single week. For the people who want to sell the card, who want to be able to share the advantages of the card with other users who want to a way to cash out their crypto, etc., etc. And Global UniPay will give you an opportunity to earn an active income. Now, what is an active income? You're going to have to do something about it. You're going to have to work. You're going to have to share, okay? The other income, you don't do nothing. The business does the thing and you make a profit. And then because you're a co-owner, you get paid some time a percentage, okay? But this type of income, you have to do something. But the good news is, okay, the good news is, and I like to share the good news is that at the moment, if you are a partner of Average, for example, if you are already our partner, okay, if you are partner of the Global Unit partner, okay, which is Average, if you are a partner of Average, you will be able to earn the same kind of percentage-wise because we are going to be using the average model, average earning compensation plan, which is a uni level, which means you can go wide as you like, but you can also go deep as you like, to infinity level. It depends what career level you are. Okay, this is an exciting income because you will have to recruit any new people because we're going to apply our partners compensation plan, which is average compensation plan. So which means is if you have a team already, it is your duty to start informing them the importance of these cards, okay? If you have people who've been begging you, like, I don't know how to cash out money. And we know already at this time, there are many people who struggle to cash out their money. There are in the back office, they have some crypto, but they don't know how to cash out their money, okay? This is going to be a solution for them, and you're going to get paid for it, right? You're going to get paid for it as well, okay? So if you, for example, you will recommend this card to anybody else, and then you're going to get paid for it, and you was going to do it for free, but Global UniPay will give you an opportunity now to earn an income from it. Who is excited about that? I don't see any movement, any excitement, okay? Tell me if you are excited. If you're excited, put a 10. If you still don't understand or you don't know what I'm talking about, just put a minus. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, thank you, Matteo. Because I can see only Matteo is continuing to be interactive. Holy Ghost, great. Super, yes. Who won't be excited about it? It's an income, it's an opportunity that is there for you, especially in these, this situation. Many people are losing their jobs left, right, center. And this is an opportunity for you to earn an income from home, okay? You'll be able to promote this and spend it because you can spend it online. you can spend it physically also in your ATM machine. All right. Now, let me show you how you can earn visually the potential income. And that I like to stress a lot on a consultant, because consultant is one of the core rank. Okay. Now, core rank is a position where anyone can make it easily, but also at least they can earn at least $300 per month. Okay, that's a core rank. Our core rank in our company is a rank called consultant. And I'm going to show you as a consultant, or if you manage to go as a consultant, or whether you are a consultant today, or is something you can aspire to be at least, okay, what is the type of income you might be able to earn, okay? Let me look. Everybody in here is a partner of average. Everybody, if you are not a partner of average, if you are new today, just put a plus. If you are a partner of average, put a 10. Okay, I'm waiting your feedback, guys. Okay, good. Okay, I can see all of you. Anyway, the people who are giving the feedback, they are partner of average. So you know the compensation plan. So you know the percentage examples. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. I'm just going quickly with this. The rank that's that is very easy to get at the moment with this range is agent rank. Okay, but this agent rank is like you can do it within a few hours. You can do it, it's very quick to do. But let's go to the next two slides. So you go to the consultant level, which is what I'm talking about. That's it. Thank you. So the consultant level, this is the core rank I was talking about. Okay. The reason why I picked this core rank is because I linked it with the platinum card. Okay, the platinum card will cost 500 euros. Okay, now what is your personal volume that you need in order to become a consultant? Let me just give you a quick test. What is the personal volume you need in order to become a consultant? Give me some numbers. Okay, good. So great stuff. So it's good to see. Okay, 500, yeah, 500 units. Okay, 500 euros is a little bit more than unit, because unit is tied, UNT is tied to dollars. Okay, but you need 500. So if you focus in selling the cards of the platinum, because there's going to be a lot of value in the platinum cards, okay? The bonus you're going to get, but also the usability of it is going to be brilliant, okay? If you focus on this yourself, okay, because you have to lead by example, yourself, you get the card, the same card, because how are you going to recommend something that you haven't tried yourself, okay? You use it, and then you recommend other people. Say, for example, in this case, this image, it shows you only need 4, but to qualify. But I like to explain to people 5 by 5, because if you do 5 by 5, 5 is a magic number. Okay, so you put 5 by 5. That's why in our company you see many leaders who've been saying you prospect, you do 5 rendezvous every day, for example. So if you, for example, you get 5 people, you start to refer 5 people. Let me show you the potential income you can get. And this is an assumption that you stay only as a consultant. But we know, okay, I know you guys, you are very smart. You know the compensation plan in and out of average. You know, if you build 5 by 5, you go deeper to 6 level, you will be more than a consultant. But just to make a number easier, I'm just going to leave the percentage of consultant like this, so you can see the number easily. But at home, as your homework, just do your numbers. Try to look if you are a manager, what is the percentage you can earn? Try to look if you are a leader manager, if you are a top manager, if you are a vice president, if you are a president, what is the potential income to the 6 levels down? Okay, let's move to the next slide. All right, have a look at this figure. If you go out there and you promote, you look at the 5 people who need. Do you know 5 people? Let me ask you a question. Do you know 5 people, whether they are in your current team at the moment, or they are other people who are not part of your team, okay, who are not part of average ecosystem, who will benefit from a way to withdraw, to cash out their crypto, a way to withdraw their money? Do you know 5 people who will benefit from that? Just give me some no, yes in the chat. Do you know 5 people? Mateus, yes. I can only see 1 person. So it's only, okay, I say Paula, yes. Thank you for participation. Yes, great. Everybody knows, because this is a pain that many people have, okay? This is a pain that many people have. I've talked to so many people, they don't know how to get the card, crypto card, or they think, so many people think crypto is money in the air, it can't be used for anything. So it is going to be your duty to just educate these people and give them a solution to their problem, okay? And there is nothing rewarding than providing value and solving people's problem, okay? Because we are the solution bringers, okay? We are not the problem bringer, we are the solution bringers. So we provide solution to the problem people have, and that's how you make money, okay? That's how you make money. You get paid for the value that you bring to the table, not the many hours you work, the value, okay? So if you have the 5 people, whether they're outside or you have at the moment, if you have 5 people in your team, you direct people, they definitely need how to cash out, okay, money. And this card is going to be a solution. So imagine you build to level 6, and this is the number you're going to have, number of people you can see in this table, the commission as the structure of average, and the bonus commission that's going to be paid here, okay? You can see is 219,125. And this is only assumption that you stay only as a consultant. Me and you, we know that it's not going to be like that. You're going to be a manager. You're going to be a leader manager. You're going to be a vice president. You're going to be a top manager if you build like this. If you build like this nicely, you're going to be at the top, 100%. So, and then you will earn more money, because when you get to level 6, if you are the top manager, you don't earn 2%. And have a look, 15,000 people, and you're earning, for example, 9%, 8%. How much would that be? It's a crazy number. I dare you to do the homework, okay? I dare you to do these numbers, and you will be amazed, and you will be excited about these products, okay? Now let's move to the next slide. And I think that's it. This is it. I mean, this business is going to be an easy business to sell, an easy product to sell, okay? Because you can go to the shop, and then you'll be using the card to pay for your things. You will go to the bar, to the restaurants. Obviously, it depends where you are. Some of the people are not allowed to go, but it's gonna clear. At some point, these things gonna go. Okay, this is not the first issue happening in the world. This is gonna go, but it's gonna be an opportunity. You're gonna go to the bar and you pay this with this card, and the people will see this shining card they haven't seen before, and I can tell you they're gonna ask questions. What type of card is that? Where did you get that? And this will give you an opportunity to tell you a story about the card. This, I'm telling you guys, this is going to be the easiest product you're gonna sell, because it's not an investment. It's not, you're going to be restricted by the language you're using. You're going to say, hey, I'm using this card. By the way, I also earn from this card. Would you like to know how you can earn also, right? I'm using this card for convenience, and I'm also can earn from it. It will be the easiest product you can do. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, I hope that you understood, and I hope you can share this video with other people so that they can extend the power, especially the people in your team. I'll tell you guys, if you have a team and you're not sharing these information with them, you're going to be leaving money on the table, okay? You're going to be leaving the money on the table. So I'm going to be distributing my own video to my team in groups, whether they decide to look at it or not. It is there. It is, it is, because you can't force anybody to look at something, okay? You can only provide information. And our job is to share information. Our job is to provide value. Our job is to bring solution to the problem people have, right? And that's it. We are not salespeople. We are not going to be selling cars. We are going to provide cards solution to the people who want to cash out. And we're going to provide an income opportunity for people who want to earn that income, okay? There is no better place, there is no better time that now. And the cards, guys, the cards is coming soon. Due to regulation of the Europeans in Switzerland, etc., the cards, unfortunately, are going to start to be shipped to the people who are in the European Union, okay? But if you are not in the European Union, the company has already thought of the solution. And the solution, if you have been listening to Andre, you know that you'll be able to purchase a mailbox, and it's going to be cheap, guys. I pay a virtual address for my business, and it costs me like 140 euros every year, okay? But the company is going to offer you a virtual address, okay, mailbox where the card can be shipped to, and then you card for whatever you want worldwide. From there, they will be able to ship into your country, wherever you are. So this is amazing. So the company is not leaving anybody behind. So you'll be able to use. But MasterCard directly or Visa, they will ship to European countries only. But the company has already thought of solution to provide all of you the opportunity to do that. Okay? All right, guys. Love you all. Have a great day and enjoy your life. Don't let any small thing just bother you or stop you. Continue to live with the life and be grateful every day, because not many people have woken up today. Okay? Have a blessed day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.